Hi, here I'm gonna be explaining the project I have sent you. So I have sent you this zip file, and when you extract this zip file, you will getting these folders. These you need to go inside the flowers and run this flower index.html. That's it. The project should run here, but if we go inside the inspect and go to console, we are getting this CORS error. So this error comes when we are sending request to some other the file on some other server. So because of this problem, we need something. We need it to be on the server. That is not third party software at all. So to set up the local server, we are gonna be using the Xampp. You need to download this one. After downloading and installing, you will be getting this logo Xampp control panel. You need to open it and you will get something like this. You need to run the first one, and then you need to go to the place where it is installed, go to its XAMPP folder, go to htdocs and put that folder over here. So this was the folder. I'm gonna be placing it over here. That's already. So this for is come in flower and htdocs and flowers. So now what we need to do is when we need to go to local host and type whatever here after htdocs flowers. So we need to run this flower index. So we are getting this. Now if you go in the inspect, we are not getting any kind of error. This is because XML file does not work without a server. So we are set, and service is not third party at all. Let me show you something which will better explain this. So if I convert this whole XML into the JSON, that will work fine on here as well. Let me show you in the real time. So